Mr. Byron wrote to me, Jingle Jeff writes a song in French, 'cause we love it, dimanche. Bonjour to room 311, time to learn lots of French together, 'cause we love it, dimanche.
You're not Jingle Jeff.
I am Jingle Jeff.
Oh, no, you're not.
Hang on a second. Is that better?
Oh, you are Jingle Jeff.
See, I am Jingle Jeff, Professor Giggle. Just didn't have my outfit on. Hey everybody, Mr. Barron's class, room 311. Mr. Barron's wrote to me and he's told me that you love my French videos and you love learning French. That's amazing. Je m'appelle Jingle Jeff. J'ai 56.
56?
Yeah, I'm 56 years old. I'm getting old. That's why I'm wearing glasses. Anyway, Professor Giggles, what are you?
Oh, no.
Well, let me have a think. Are you my mummy? Ma maman?
Like Mama.
No, you're not my mummy then. Are you my mother? Ma mère?
La mère.
No, not my mother. Are you my dad? Mon papa?
La papa.
No, not my dad. Are you my father then? Mon père?
La père.
No, he's not my father. Are you my son? Mon fils?
La fils.
Not my son. Are you my daughter? Ma fille?
La fille.
No, not my daughter. Are you my brother? Mon frère?
Le frère.
No, not my brother. Are you my sister? Ma sœur?
La sœur.
No, you're not my sister. Are you my wife? Ma femme?
La femme.
Of course you're not my wife. Are you my husband? Mon mari?
La mari.
No, he's not my husband. That was lucky, wasn't it? Didn't want him to be my husband. Are you my aunt? Ma tante?
La tante.
No, he's not my aunt. Are you my uncle? Mon oncle?
Le oncle.
No, he's not my uncle. Uncle, I can't say it. He's not my uncle. Is he my grandmother? Ma grand-mère?
La grand-mère.
No, he's not my grandmother. You're my grandfather? Mon grand-père?
Le grand-père.
Mon grand-père? No, he's not my fab. What are you? You must be mon ami.
Yeah.
My friend, mon ami. Yay! So there's some family members for you in French. I think you've learnt a few of them already. Keep practicing and you'll be fan-dabby-dozy. You'll be amazing. Mr. Barron, thanks for writing to me, and all my friends in room 311. Have a fabulous Christmas. See you soon. Bye.
J-I-N-G-L-F. When you hear the music, you can sing with Jingle.